Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to block spam calls on a Truecaller. Very easy and simple. First, launch up Truecaller. Okay, then you want to come here at the top right and click on these three dots. Then come here and click on settings. Okay, so what I need you to do first is come here to calls and you can go ahead and do this. Okay, make sure you set Truecaller as your default phone app. Okay, set this as the default, right? And then what you need to do is come here, click on block under settings, and you need to turn this on. So you can do basic if you're on the free version, right? So you're protecting yourself against spam calls, you're blocking them. And you can also use max if you do have the premium one. But for this one, we'll just use basic just to show you. And you can come here and make sure that this is on. And what you can do is go ahead and turn on these on under advanced blocking. Okay, so you're basically blocking hidden numbers, numbers that show up as private, numbers from foreign countries or not in your phone book. You can do this one as well if you want, but these are usually enough, especially this one. And if you have a number already that was a spam, you can go ahead and block it. For example, I hold on this one, come here to the top right, and click on this. So I'll block and report this number as a spam. As you can see, you can choose what category they fall under and basically help out the community as well. Okay, but otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.